Are you looking to start?
Hey guys and gals, what is good? What is good? Okay, I'm good, guys. I get set up with my YouTube tabs and videos and stuff and music and whatever. I set it on loop, like this loop is YouTube, your loop system is broken, okay? I know I set it on loop, okay? How does it go to your one of your infomercials, which I don't want to listen to, and then to the next song or to a different song? How does that, how? Sheesh. Way to start off my stream. Okay, I need to get over it. Man, I just, that frustrates me to no end. Oh, breathe. Breathe. Just breathe. That's all you need to do, is just breathe. All right, let's go, you guys. YouTube land, how you doing? Thank you for hitting the play button. I know I must apologize for the I don't know, technical difficulties, which are, I thought were in my control, but are not really in my control apparently. So, but yeah, awesome sauce. How's your day going? Huh? What's good today? Let's get into this, okay? Trying to have a fun stream. I really am. I really am trying to have a fun stream. That's really what I want to do, because I can't sing, so this is all I have to do. I'm never going to be a rock star or an artist. Awesome. We're going to get into some stuff today again, guys and gals. Those of you that are watching, you're awesome. You're super awesome. You truly are. Okay, I'm letting you know, just letting you know. Okay, look in the mirror, say to yourself, I am awesome. Yes, you are. Let's go! All right, turn it up. This is for you, guys and gals, brothers, sisters here. Subscribe to the YouTube WhiskeyTango coding channel. Get my words out today, eventually. This is, excuse me for doing that, guys. Excuse me for doing that. This is for you. Let's go. Okay, you can play today. Let's go. Yeah. Turn that up. Turn that up. Definitely. You guys are awesome. Every single one of you. Okay, what's up? Okay, we still got sound. All right, good. Check the stream. Finish up with the chat drops. And then we're going to get going, guys. Channel. Let's listen. All right, good. Sounds like we're good. Golden. Golden like the Golden Girls. Let's go. Oh, yeah. And that's how you make the magic happen, boys and girls. That's how you make the magic happen. Okay, I'm going to finish up here in chat. I do have a Discord. I don't know, you guys and gals are interested. I have one. Drop it in comments, I guess, if you want to be part of it. Let's grow. Let's go and let's grow. All right. I think we're almost done here. Put stuff in chat. My Streamlabs, I have to wake that up too. There we go. Hello, Stream Elements. I was just talking to, excuse me, I was just talking about you. How did you know? How did you know? A little bit of a delay, but at least it's, I know it's working. Should be good. Okay, right on. All right. We're gonna finish this up, guys and gals. I know yesterday, whoo, wow, man, what was I doing, huh? What was up? Hopefully you guys liked it and didn't mind. You know, just trying to turn it up a little bit over here, you know? Turn it up here in YouTube land. I could be serious if you guys want me to. So today we're going to... This guy's name is Larry, and I'm doing a program named Larry, and he's currently standing in front of a 24/7 convenience store. We're going to do some code today. This is a folder, and it's called Particles, and inside the no, just no, stop doing that. No, okay, no. I mean, hey, it could be like that. Which do you prefer? Which is it? Okay. Okay, serious mode, Johnny. Serious mode. Can you try to be serious a little bit today? I don't know. I'm having so much fun, guys. I feel like I'm one step forward and two steps backwards some days. Some days. Okay, so what I want to do actually, guys, okay, I was having I was trying to, you know, I don't want to call it getting fancy with the code, but with the code, I was trying to incorporate, you know, some other code that, you know, we can do, you know, not just myself, but you guys and gals as well, right? Things that you could do in your code to kind of, did I open up Visual Studio twice? I don't know. I'm just going to close it once here. Okay. Don't do that again. All right. It was fine. It was fine, guys. So just extra script that you can type, right? Instead of, you know, typing that, you know, I don't know. I'm going to try to be positive, right? You know, some code out there is pretty basic. They just give you, you know, the basic code. Enough to, you know, get you going, get you to hit them clicks, you know. They give you enough code to, you know, get them clicks. You know, it's basic, few lines of code, and then they get their subscribers and they're winning, right? Off of basic code. Okay, so they're just showing you how to get inside the car, inside of a vehicle, and that's all they're doing, right? They're showing you how to get inside the vehicle, guys. But you know what they're missing? You know what they're missing? They're missing the part, which what we do over here on WhiskeyTango Coding. They are missing the part where they teach you how to actually drive the car. Okay, that's the difference. Okay, I mean, hey, I could do 5-minute videos too, I guess. Here's 2 lines of code, guys. Da-da-da-da. Run, transform.translate. There, that's it. Yay! Now you guys are officially coders. That's my sarcasm and just jokes, guys, okay? It's supposed to get you to laugh. That's what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to be laughing. That's kind of the idea. All right, so I wouldn't call it technical difficulties, but you know, we're having some challenges based on, let's do this. Okay, so our player here, okay, Larry, that's his name, Larry. And he has a rigid body attached to him, okay? And I've kind of frozen his positions, okay? Because let's just actually run it. Let's do that and see what's happening, okay? Just let's begin. Let's do some testing, and then I'm going to get into kind of doing a little bit. Whoops, we lost already. Kind of the code that we did yesterday, but I was thinking a little bit more on what else I could have done to make my code work. Okay, so I just had to do, you know, a little bit of thinking. Everything seems to be working, you know, nicely right now. Okay, which is great. That's a win. That's a dub. Now let me just, so we're moving in the X direction. Okay, I'm gonna uncheck that. Okay, on off, right? Let's run it. I want to see if Larry's actually trying to run off to Kansas City. Larry, you going to Kansas City? Yeah, he is. Okay. I have no control of him unless I check mark that. So I have no choice. Okay, the way this game is kind of designed or set up, it's set up to be just a, that's all it is. It's just a jump up and down on one spot type of game. Larry's not really running, guys, even though it gives, you know, you're given the visual effect that he's actually running, but he's not. He's still at that location where he is. Okay, all we're doing here is just jumping. That's it. There's nothing else going on. Okay, so there. So with my code, so again, you can create games, you know, that where you can take Larry and just have him kind of running around. I gotta get rid of that. Okay. All right, let's just get used to the controls here. Okay, there we go. All right. So we can set it up where he's running around. I know it's different line of code to do that. I've already done prior videos on how to move a character and such, guys. Check them out if you want to know how to do that. I could do, you know, single line code, I guess, to get them 100,000 viewers or subscribers. I could go, let's see, let me see. Type 2-3 lines of code for you guys, right? Which obviously I'm not doing over here, right, on this channel. But you know, I could be that channel that does that, I guess. You know, giving the old magic show trick, right? Let's see. Here we go. How are we doing? What are we doing right here? Okay, blah 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 blah. But we're just adding force. That's all we're doing. I could go like, all right, yeah. Transform dot translate. Let's see here if we can find some script. Some basic script. Transform.translate parentheses turn speed horizontal input times time dot delta time dot vector 3 dot right close semicolon. Okay, that's the end of this video, guys. Make sure you thumbs up. I know, I'm hilarious. Stay tuned, you guys. Those of you that are subscribed to the channel, every single one of you, beautiful, awesome people. You truly are. Thank you for being here, being part of the channel. Every single one of you, winners and not quitters. Let's go! Okay. So with this code, all we're doing is jumping, right? We're using kind of the old or original input system, which is fine. But with my code, right, we had to kind of, I was trying, you know, here, let me see if I get it, try to do this, you know, without, you know, because I was really trying to get it to work for you guys last stream. I really was trying that. I wanted to, like, incorporate the script, and I didn't want to spend a lot of time trying to figure it out, and it's just like, oh, goodness gracious, why is it already, I did this in pre-trials, I got another program, I already did all this, it worked just fine then, and I tried in this one, and now I get like, I'm live and everything has to act all buggy. Why? Just why? Just why? So I started thinking about it a little bit more over the night and stuff, guys, and I'm like, well, I could always try to uncheck the freeze and then reuse my code. Maybe there, because, you know, actually, freezing this position, I imagine the value for the velocity would equal 0, right? There would be no minuscule changes in velocity based on this being checkmarked. I have no choice but to checkmark them because, well, Larry just wants to run to Kansas City. Maybe there's another 7-Eleven that has more oysters and you know, maybe strawberry flavored Slurpees over there. They might have better Slurpees. I don't know. Like, they could. So, but anyways, I wanted to try my code again, and then I was kind of watching my stream like, man, you really dirt burgered. Like, you're copying and pasting and stuff when you shouldn't be, and yeah, I was doing that, and then I didn't pay attention that when I did that copying and pasting, I kind of messed up my my parameters. So I'm kicking myself in the butt a little bit, and I thought, well, I'm gonna try it again, which it may or may not work, because I thought maybe I could get away with unchecking this, and I might actually get a minuscule value of velocity, and I would actually be able to utilize the code that I was showing you guys. Okay, the code that I'm going to show, I'm going to paste the code in again so you guys can see. But that's the code that I shared with you last stream will work great if you're running around with Larry. If you're actually using your WASD keys or a gamepad or whatever to maneuver and run around with Larry, because we could set it up like that. But I mean, this game isn't set up like that. That'd be another one, another video. Okay. So let's see, back to my code here. I'm just gonna paste it in, and okay, can you go to the right code, Johnny? Okay, too many tabs. It's like, what do I do? Get confused because, oh my god, too many tabs. I'm so confused. I'm so lost. What do I do? There's too much information. Okay, no, get it together. Get a hold of yourself. Okay? That's fine. I haven't made the method, that's why it's yelling at me. So I'm just gonna go like this. Okay, and I had that under animate. So we'll paste that there again. Oh, can you paste the right one, Bob? Okay, paste the right one. There. Okay. Okay, so right here, this is what I'm talking about. Right here. This is where I didn't even pay attention. I should have paid attention. I mean, if I was sitting here working on it by myself, trying to figure it out, I would take the time and look through it line by line. Probably, I would eventually would have caught the mistake. But because this is what I did yesterday, I cut this out and I pasted it here, and then I went like this, and then I went like this, right? I just kind of commented that out. But what I should have did, instead of being lazy, I ended up copying this line here, which was part of my collision, which was here. I think that's it there. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I ended up copying that by accident, so I had the wrong assignment operators up here and didn't really pay attention to notice. Okay, bad on my part. So next time, don't be lazy, guys. Teaching you little things over here. Things that, can happen to us. Control KU. So just cut this and just put it back. Okay? Don't be silly and lazy like me and not paying attention during the live stream. Let's go. Okay, so I have to delete these down here, but I just want to make sure. Okay, explosion play. Okay, we're going to delete that because we already have it up here. Okay, so to kind of reiterate, this works great if you have a little bit of a velocity, a forward motion with your player. Okay, it would actually work. So in a game that you're creating for, like actually you're moving around the character and walking around with them and such, this would work because you would actually have a forward velocity of some sort, right? So that would work. I'm pretty sure this isn't gonna work, but I just wanted to go over this again, okay, quickly, and explain that, right? So I'm not gonna do this because I'm pretty sure it's not gonna work, and what I had was just fine. But yeah, I'm just gonna leave it at that. Okay, let's see what's up. Okay, that's it there. So I'm just gonna go undo, and that's kind of what I wanted to explain. You guys can use that code, okay? Right? I was trying to level up the code over here a little bit for you guys. Again, in the last program I was doing this. I did this and it worked just fine. Okay, you're just gonna have to believe. Okay? For whatever unknown reason, it wouldn't work in the other one. And I believe this is checkmarked in the other one, but I'm not 100% sure. I didn't even bother to check. I was kind of excited to go over this again with you guys, briefly and quickly. Okay, I'm just undoing here. Okay, okay. Am I undid it all the ways? Why is it? Excuse me. Why is it dirty? Control Y is redo. Okay. All right. Well, it must be fine. I'm going to assume it's fine. Hopefully I don't have any errors anywhere. Hopefully not. Why would it be dirty? I don't understand. A lot of times when you undo all the way back to where you last were, it should, kind of correct itself. It'll go back to clean, right? So I don't know, for some reason, I don't know what's up. Okay, but we'll just make sure everything's good. I just undid everything so we can just continue on. That's what we need to do. But so you guys and gals know, like, if you're actually moving Larry around or your player with the WASD keys, you will, in fact, be able to use rigid body dot velocity. Okay, man, I don't know what's up with me, man. Like, I don't get dry mouth or something. I'm like constantly, I'm not drooling, but it's like, is it all the talking? I don't know what it is. Just keep getting a buildup of, yeah. It even annoys me, to be honest. Just hold up, guys. I'm gonna drink some more coffee, make some noise. Almost wish I had dry mouth. Goodness gracious. All right. To continue, because we must continue. Okay, so we've got, okay, trying to take it a little more serious level, get some stuff done. I don't know, you guys prefer the jokes and the humor and stuff. I imagine probably do, but I need to also try to keep it serious. Maybe a lot of you want it serious too, so we're gonna do that. Okay, we're gonna try to be a little bit serious. Okay, so yeah, that. Okay, add music. It's time to add music and such. So we're gonna do that now. Okay. All right, let's go over I think we got everything there. Okay, let's just follow my little, I guess, agenda or plan of action. Let's see. Bear with me, guys. Okay. Alright, I was thinking of doing something else. I was thinking of adding another object in that to the game. We'll get there. Let's just, so we've got the splatter, we've got the explosion, everything's playing properly. Okay, we got the splatter. Splatter is kind of still playing. I don't know, and we got the explosion. Okay, so that's good. The splatter I have attached to Larry. It is unchecked here. Okay. All right, just needed to confirm some things before we continue. Make sure we're good. All right, it is time, guys, for some music. Okay, so let's do some music. We have the fine people over at Unity, kind enough to share some of their, the stuff that they have with us, right? So that we can learn, right? Again, if you guys out there are creating programs and you get good at Unity and you're creating projects and putting out games and such, make sure you show the credit and love to Unity, right? If you're using their engine, you guys have to 100% show the love to Unity. Especially, you guys gotta realize, they're kind enough. They don't have to share their software with you. They don't have to. I mean, if I made an engine, spent 5 years making an engine, I mean, I don't know, just show the love. That's all I can say. If you're successful and you've created a game that's successful using the Unity engine, platform, you got 100% give the credit. You have to. You honestly have to. Same thing with whichever coding package you're using. Excuse me. Such as myself using Microsoft Visual Studio. Thank you, Microsoft. Let's go. Okay. So what we're gonna do? It's time for music, guys. Okay. So we got our music folder, and we have sound effects as well. So we're going to get into that. So stay tuned. All right, it's time for music. So what we want to do, I'm going to create a game object. I'm going to do it slightly different. Don't worry, I'm not going to use a rigid body dot velocity. Okay. This should go well. This should go well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an object called Music Manager. Okay, create empty, Music Manager. Okay. All right, first step, create an object. Where did it go? Well, it's right there. And that works for me. Is that what? Where are you? Where? F. Okay, you're floating right there. Why are you right there? I mean, I guess right there is fine. I guess. Just for music. Player is here. Hold up. 1.75 on the X. I like to move my game objects before I see that. It just puts it in a random location, guys. Okay, that's what it does. It should be close to, you know, the player. That's where it needs to be. Player's not going anywhere. Okay, so I'm just going to make that 4. Make this negative 4.5. Good enough. Close enough. It all looks good from an airplane, guys. Okay. So again, before you put anything into your container, guys, position it where you want it, right? Especially if you're kind of moving stuff from a like, for example, our container here, right? If you're positioning or moving stuff off the parent game object, it just makes life easier when you're working with, you know, whole numbers. And you have also a good reference in your mind which way you should be moving stuff. Trust me, you know, it's just going to make life easier, and you're not going to be pulling your hair trying to figure out which way to move it, stuff. So okay. Next thing. So we don't want multiple songs to loop awake over each other, right? So let's see, what are we gonna do here? Should spawn behind the curtain or game wall. I guess I could do that as well. I could kind of let's see, hold up, let's go like this. Okay, we'll put that back to where it was. 8.5. And I'm going to make this, I think, 0 on the Y. And then we're just going to move it inside there. So a good idea too is kind of just have it behind the curtain wall. Somewhere around here. Which is pretty close to that location right there, which is 4. Okay, good. So that's where I'm going to position it. Okay, maybe it'd be a little closer to Larry, but it just needs to be in this area. Okay, again, the main camera has a audio listener. Okay, guys, that's why it needs to be close. Okay, more coffee. All right, boom. Okay, let's see. So we don't want multiple songs to loop on awake over each other. I'm going to recommend a channel. So I'm going to give this channel some credit to, you know, because this channel helped me out with learning how to do audio and such. And yeah, I'm going to show the love, because why not? Okay, that's the site. Paste it into chat. Just for you guys and gals. Okay, so we don't want blah, 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 blah. So we're going to introduce, okay, that's Midnight Oil Software LLC introduces us to Unity's audio mixer. Okay, audio mixer. Because we want these to change according to a game state, right? The different music tracks. Let's see, add more than one, right? Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go Window. Now, why is that open there? I must have been working on animations recently. Okay, that's closed. We don't need that open. So Window, Audio, Audio Mixer. Boom. There we go. Let's go. So there we go, guys. Okay, we're getting there. Okay, so add mixers. So that's what we're going to do first. We are going to create some mixers. So check this out. This is really cool. I like it. This is how you do. So we're going to do a main mix. I guess I call it. That's the main. Yeah, that's the main mix. Main mix. Okay? And then we are going to we're going to rename snapshots to start menu. Okay, there we go. This is kind of some things I did a little bit different. Now we are going to add more snapshots. So we're going to actually, we're going to add more snapshots. Okay, boom. All right, there. Start menu music. Now, I'm curious, why did I do that? Okay, hang on, hold up. Delete. We only need the one. Okay? Getting carried away. I should have renamed it that, but whatever. That's fine. Okay, we only need 4. I'm just going to show you how to do some different ones. Okay. These are our snapshots. Do one more. Okay, so we have 4. So you're gonna have like sounds and music. If you've played any game, guys, you know, maybe the sound, maybe the music. Well, the music changes, right? You have your start menu music. You have gameplay music. The gameplay music may change depending on what's happening during the gameplay. You'll have pause menu music. And then, of course, you might have, game over music and then ending music, right? So I'm just going to show you a few here because you could have many more. Okay? All right. WhiskeyTango trying to be a little more serious for you guys. Okay, so notice that the groups, blah, 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 plus, are the actual names. What? No, that's not true. It's the groups. Okay, why did I actually? So first we got to do groups. Okay, let's do groups. And then I'll read that again. I got little notes here. I'm kind of following. It's my script, my game plan here, guys. Okay, I have an order of operations. Okay, so we're going to create a new group. Okay, you got to leave the master. So here's something that I did kind of different. So if you don't want long names, right? You notice how the title here, so just to actually read that again, notice that the groups, right? When you create a group, it's the actual name of our mixers. Okay, so this is one of our mixers. This is the master. This will be the start menu mixer. Okay, let's just create some more. Okay, we're kind of leveling up here a little bit, guys. Oh, so notice also we've got child parent thing going on here. Well, we don't really want that, but you can have that. Okay, I'm just gonna go like this. So the way you move things around, I just showed you. Okay, watch. I'm gonna undo that. Okay, right now we're right here. Normal play, I didn't accidentally. It kind of happened. It's no big deal. It's acting as a child to our start menu right now. So basically, it would control. So any changes we make here will reflect here, okay? Because it has control of normal play, but we don't want that. Normal play is kind of its own level. Think of these as levels, if you will. Okay, so when I click and hold and drag, you can see there's like a blue line. Now you can actually position these. So this means inside. It's hard for me to show, but at the left side of the blue line is a white dot. That tells me that it's in child mode right now. If I go like this, now the white dot tells me I'm in parent mode. So there, I just made it parent. But I want the order to be the same. So I'm moving start menu up now, and it still has a parent. So if I click start menu and I go like this, will it try to go inside? It's not really trying to go inside. That's okay. I'm just gonna leave it. You actually would have to create a child to do that. It doesn't look like you can just drag and drop them inside. It doesn't seem like that anyways. Maybe that'll work. Yeah, it does work like that. So that's how you do that. If you want something as a child inside, you just drag it on top of its name. Is what you do. That's what I did. Okay? I click start menu and I just dragged it right on top. That's how you make it a child. If you want to create a child, well, you just click the name and then just go add child group. I went right click to do that. Okay, let's add 2 more, right? We're going to be consistent here. We're just doing 4 for funsies. Again, you guys can do as many as you want, right? You could have start, you could have normal play 1, you could have normal play 2, maybe normal play 3, or maybe normal play and then battle mode play. You know what I mean? And then you could, yeah, like combat play is 1. You could have pause menu in here. And then, of course, you could have like the game over music. And then you could have ending music, right? And then we're just creating groups so that we can have these volume mixers. Okay? Essentially, that's what that is. Okay, so add a group. Hit the plus sign. Again, it's a child, but I'll just move it. Pretty easy to do. Okay, and then we'll do the last one. Okay. And same thing. Quick little switch around. Okay. Let's drop in the yays. All right, let's continue. So we're doing music and sound here, guys. So, you know, a little bit of a learning process, okay? If you want music and such and sound effects in your game, yeah, well, this is all part of it, right? You're gonna have to grind through and learn it. Okay, so each one of these are acting as its own parent. Okay, and those are the actual names of our mixers. Okay, so now we go back to our game object, music manager. Okay, right here. Okay, and drag and then we have to drag and drop our hard link references. Let's see, hold up. Hold up. What have I done? I missed a step. Did I miss a step? Music manager. Oh, hang on. Is it because I don't have my code in yet? Is that what it is? Hold up. Because I got some code too to share, guys. Thanks to Midnight Oil. Where's my code here? I don't have it open yet. Don't worry, I have it here, guys. It's actually Snapshot Manager. So what's up? Close this. Oh, okay. Is that what it is? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, that's what it is. Okay, so now at this point, so okay, I'm just kind of refreshing my memory here on what to do. Again, guys, follow the order of operations to do things. Okay? For me, I take notes and stuff just so, like, you know, because you're working on different projects, you're doing different things, and if you're not consistently working with something, you tend to kind of forget the little details. So, that's why I'll just take little notes and stuff just to remind me, oh yeah, Ray, I'm supposed to do this. Oh yeah, Ray, I'm supposed to do that. You know what I mean? The more you grind at something, the better it's going to get and the more natural it becomes. Okay, I just want to make sure you guys can hear me on the stream. Just want to do a quick check. All right, what's good? Oh yeah, Ray, I'm supposed to do this. Oh yeah, Ray. Okay, good. We're good on the stream. Awesome. Awesome sauceum. Recent follower, subscriber. Man, thank you so much. I don't know who you are yet, but you're awesome. I didn't have really any pop out. My Streamlabs, for some reason, it's working. Stream Elements, I mean. Stream Elements, it's not even. What do you do in Stream Elements? Okay, I'm gonna have to check that out. Stream Elements. Gotta do some mod stuff right now, guys. I apologize. I do want to keep going with the lesson plan here, but of course, got mod stuff to do. My dashboard here. Okay, let's go to my dashboard. Okay, bot is part of chat. What? Okay. For some reason we gotta wake up the bot here a little bit somehow. Let's bring up my nice try 95. Let's see if we can wake up our stream elements here. Wake up, Stream Elements. Do your job because you're not doing it. But whoever you are that just recently subscribed, you're awesome, and this is for you. Oh, yeah, I always play. I have a sound that I play too, but we're going to roll with this for now. Yeah, that's right. I'm excited too. 100%. Let's go. You're awesome. Okay, I don't know. Finicky. Things are just finicky, you know, guys. It either works or it doesn't work. There we go. Okay, wake up, please. Stream Elements, wake up. Do your duty. Do your duties. Duties. Sometimes keywords help too, right? That keeps the Stream Elements going. Right? Keywords will make it wake up. All right. Back at her, guys. Back at her. So there we go. There's the beginnings. Okay, so now with my music manager game object, now we're going to add component. Okay, guys? This is where we do it. And I just want to double check. Which is it here? Where did I save that again? Goodness gracious. Sally on Sundays. It's not part of this. Did I save it in this? I don't even remember. Let's have a look. Okay, here we go. Yes, I found it. Music manager. Yes, just wanted to double check. Okay, I don't want to steer you guys in the wrong direction. Okay, I'll just keep that open for now. Good enough. I got so many tabs up, it's crazy. All right. Okay, so right here, this is where we add our audio sources. Okay, so click there and type audio, and we want audio source, guys. Okay, audio source, and we're gonna actually add. I'm gonna actually add some more songs. I still have to do that. So I'm gonna do one, two, three, four. So I'm gonna add 4. I'm just gonna do 4 because we are gonna need 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. And then I'll show you the first one. So this is how we do it. So if you look in project here, guys, okay, I have to still bring in more music. Oh, cool. It actually puts it there. Oh, look at that. Nice. I didn't even pay attention to that, but that's a good spot. That's where it should be. So whatever folder I was selecting, it actually put that in there. That's our link to here. Cool. Note to self. Okay, let me just drag and drop some more songs here, guys. I've already got kind of prepared here. I need what's called winning. It's called winning. All right, one day hoping and dreaming to be winning. Let's go. Okay, where did I put that again? Just gotta look. I'm trying to be organized with my folders. I got a few music folders here, just sounds for the for game creation. Where did I put that? Where are you winning? I should just search for you instead. Ah, there it is. Okay, so I'm just gonna, it's a song, so I'm just gonna drag and drop it. So I'll show you. There you go. So I'm in my file explorer, guys. Okay, and I just drag and dropped it. Okay, now to let you know quickly, properties. This is an MP3. Okay, that's what it is, guys. It's an MP3. I guess I could do that as well. Where am I getting my sounds from? Good question. Let's see. What did I search for? What's my search again? No, sometimes I'll actually write it, and this time I guess I didn't. Hold up. Search. Do I have a Google search? No. Of course not. Geez Louise. I always try to be prepared, guys. I really do. Trying to recall what I did it for a search, and usually when I click my search engine, it's there, or my search bar. Not search bar, but where you type in for your searches. Usually it's there, but apparently I must have, I don't know, deleted it. I swear to God I got this on a link here. I'm sure I saved it. You should see how many bookmarks I have, guys. It's insane. So I do try to keep organized so I know where to look in a general location. I think I found it. Yeah, there we go. Oh, but that's images. Music? Is this it? Yeah, there we go. Is this it? This has got to be it. No, that's not it. Okay, well, it's called Pixabay. Of course, the link I have is the main page, but they do a lot over there. They've got photos, illustrations, vectors, videos, sound effects. Is that it? That's got to be it. Yeah, I found it. Okay, there we go. I'll paste that in chat here quickly, guys. Pixabay. Okay. Pixabay. Currently that's where you can get free ones. They do have what I guess I don't know what to call these individuals, promoters. They have certain individuals that are part of the website or whatever, and they have their own. They upload sounds or songs or whatever. And they're sharing it for free, so they do ask kindly for a small donation or whatever. You got to look at them as kind of like let's say a digital artist, for example. A digital artist is another struggling, starving position. They got to eat, and it takes a lot of time and everything to create things, guys. Right? So you got to support the little guy. I always say support the little guy. The big guy's gonna be fine. Okay, they're gonna be okay without you. Okay, support the little guy. So, and any donation they ask for, I'm sure it's going to be a small donation. You donate $2 to them, just to simply download this song or the sound, right? Okay, so it's there. It's free for you guys. I'll make sure that I have the link in comments as well for you guys. Okay? So check out the comments. I have it usually pinned. And let's go. So what others? Okay, so I need more music. Okay, so that's one. And then I have my battle cry one. I could pick any other random song, I guess. Let's see. Well, I guess maybe I'll just go with it. I don't want to start playing a bunch of different songs. Okay, let's just go here. And so you guys are used to this one, my battle cry. I'm gonna pick this one because it's a little bit slightly different. So I'm just adding some more songs. That's all I'm doing. Okay, guys, kind of showing you how to do it. Easy drag and drop. Okay, I know you guys got this. Okay, anything else? How are we doing on time here? We're at an hour now. Okay. I'm going to try to speed things up. And then I need the third one. So I got the third one here. Okay, there we go. So let's go back. Okay, back to this. Yeah, just closing some tabs. Back to this. Okay, back to our music manager. So this is how you do this. Okay, we've already got the music and everything. It's already linked up. The program software will know where to look. So just click this, and there we go. Okay, and so I'm going to pick that one. That's going to be our first audio clip. Okay, and then the second one is going to be winning. Winning. Just doing random ones, guys. You can change them anytime you want, too. If you're not happy with it, you can easily change it. That's the great thing about the software. Okay, my third one is going to be the battle cry. And last but not least, I'm just going to pick this other one, the third one. Okay, cool. Coolios. Need some more cafe. Okay, so check this out. So now the other thing that we can do is, now if you guys notice, we have the snapshots, right? Okay, this is our link for the snapshots. We need to do this step. Okay, so we created an output now. So that's what this is, right here. Okay, there are snapshots. Whoops, I didn't mean to do that. Wow, and I lightly clicked that too. That's insane how easy I moved that. Hold up. Start menu, normal, combat, and game. Oh yeah, that's pretty easy. They're pretty easy to move. They really are. Whoops. And they're easy to also to rename. Okay. So audio clips are audio clips. Okay, guys? Those are your music, your MP3s. Okay, that's what those are. Now, I'm just explaining so that we're clear. Okay. Now we can pick from our master, from our here. Okay, check it out. Okay, these are our snapshots. So the first one's going to be start menu. Second one's going to be normal play. And now it's not really set up the way it should be, but I'm just showing you guys for example. Okay, that's all we're doing. Okay, there you go. So I have music for our start menu. I have music, you know, for normal gameplay. You know, could be anything, right? And then, you know, let's say this was called combat, and it would have battle sounds. You know, like shing, cling, clang, shling, cling, shling, clang. You know what I mean? And you could have that kind of sound in there, right? And then, of course, you could have game over sound, right? Again, you could add to this, right? It doesn't have to be just 4. Okay? And so, that's that. So now, what do we do? Right, so we could actually adjust our volumes now. Okay, so we've done all that. We've, I call them hard links. Okay, that's what I'm calling them. Put in your hard links or references, whatever you want to call them. And now here, if we click our snapshots, right, leave the master alone. That's your master volume, right? You guys understand that, right? If you turn the master off, you're not going to have any sounds at all, right? You would have 0. And then you'd be sitting there going, why won't it play? Why can't I hear anything? Oh my goodness. Oh, what do I do? Oh, the humanity. I quit. No, don't quit. Keep pushing, man. Keep pushing. The only way to get better, guys, you got to keep riding that bike. Okay? Don't let that little evil troll in the back of your mind kick you off the bicycle, okay? They're just trying to keep you down, okay? Don't listen to it, all right? That little troll, you know, that voice in your mind trying to say, give you bad ideas and make you quit and stuff, right? Don't listen to it. I believe in you guys. You guys can do this. You can do it. I believe in you, okay? It's not so bad. So again, right, that's how you're going to get better. You got to keep pushing. You got to keep grinding. You got to keep pedaling them pedals, okay? Eventually, if you cook enough eggs, guys, you're going to be the best egg cooker in the world, okay? Trust. All right, that's how it works. Okay, so we can adjust our volumes, right? So that's what we could do now, okay? So start menu. Of course, with our start menu, stop doing that. I'm just clicking it. If you double click it, that's how you rename quickly. Of course, with your start menu, you're gonna want volume, right? Okay, just leave it at 0. That's kind of like, I don't know, it's kind of like mid. This is turning it down, this is turning it up. So our start menu, we want volume. Okay, so that means we're gonna turn down our normal play, our combat play, and our game over play. Okay, all we want to hear is the start menu when start menu music is being played. Okay, now let's go to normal. Okay, so this means start menu is going down, normal play stays on, combat goes down, game over goes down. See what's going on? Awesome sauce. Let's go! Okay, combat. Turn that one down. Normal play down. Combat stays on. Game over goes off. It's that easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. And last but not least, boom, boom, boom. Alright, cool guys, so watch, check it out. I'm using my up and down arrows to move, up and down. Okay, just to double check, start menu is golden, good. Alright, normal play. Alright, combat music, cool. And game over music, cool. Now, you can, guys and gals, you can turn this up or down a little bit. You don't want it off, right? Essentially, that's off, right? You can go up or down, you know, minus 10, minus 15, plus 10, plus 20, right? Your choice. Tweak it and adjust it to your liking. Okay, so whatever's inside, you know, inside our start menu is going to be played at that level, right? We could either go up or down. Okay, same thing with normal play. Whatever's playing in normal play, well, we can either go up or down. Depends on the action. Again, you could have game music playing and you could have background sounds playing, right? Again, the only way to get better at it is to, you know, maybe, you know, watch, you know, I guess you can watch other videos on how to do this audio mixer and AudioSource and stuff. There's probably, you know, more content out there, maybe, I don't know. But there's a lot more you can do, right? We're just kind of getting our feet wet into it, right? That's what we're doing. Okay, what else are we gonna do? What else are we going to do? So we've got that far. We've adjusted our volumes. Now if we start our game, we should hear, all we should hear is the start menu music. Let's test and play. Okay, let's test and play. All right, let's do it. Save it. Hopefully we're golden. Golden like, you know, the Golden Girls. Let's go. Okay, so that's awesome. Let's go, guys. It works. It works. Big yays. Okay, so now, just thinking about it, okay? We need a way to transition the music, right? Because of course, we don't want it to continue playing the start menu music even when the game's over, right? So we have to do some code to make that magic happen. Alright, so the next, I'm going to end this stream, guys, right? I'm trying to keep it at, you know, each video at an hour or so long, just for viewability reasons. You know, if you're watching the live stream now, I hope you understand. You are welcome to come back anytime and watch the content. Follow the series. More to come, guys. More to come. I have lots of plans on doing more. Yesterday's stream was a bit of a fun. I think I needed more sleep kind of stream, but it was still fun, I guess. Today, trying to be a little bit more serious, get stuff done, and grind out a little bit of more code and content. But do stay tuned, guys. Do stay tuned, because I have lots that I plan on doing in the upcoming weeks, days, and such. Okay, so whoever you are, wherever you are, I 100% appreciate you. I know Larry does. Larry appreciates you being here. You're awesome. Subscribers, let's go. Supporters of the channel, thank you for the recent follow. Subscribe, whoever you are. You're awesome. You truly are. Appreciate you. Oh yeah. That is it. Johnny with Whiskey Tango Coding for now. Saying have an awesome day, guys. I will see you guys next video. For now, take care. Peace out. And peace.